Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the O Studio. In this video we're gonna learn about Android development. First we will install Java JDK. Let's go to the oracle.com to install Java JDK. Click on JDK download button. Download JDK file according to your operating system and the variant. Now let's install Android Studio from the official website of Android. Go to developer.android.com/studio. Here is the setup. It's about 1200 MB. It will take about an hour depending on your internet speed. So summary of this lecture is: first install Java JDK, then Android Studio. In the lecture we gonna teach you about first Hello World program in Android Studio. Thank you.